What's up YouTube? How's it going? JK here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to take a product, a digital product from Clickbank, which is a leading global retailer for affiliate marketers. We're going to take a product from there and we're going to promote it on Pinterest. Pinterest, it has 335 million users, guys. 335 million users. It's grown 26% since 2019. It's the third largest social media platform, okay? The third largest. Also, in 2019, over $1 billion were spent on Pinterest, right? People are spending money on Pinterest. Guys, so let's get to it. Again, the first place we're gonna go to is Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace. Anybody could go in, create an account. When they create an account, it's gonna ask you for your banking information. The banking information is so they're able to pay you. I think I already have an account, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Once I log into Clickbank, I'm gonna go to the marketplace. In the marketplace is where we're gonna select the product that we're gonna promote. Think about your Pinterest board. Think about, that whatever you promote is congruent to what you have in your board. If you see something that you wanna promote that doesn't align with your Pinterest board, well, create a new Pinterest board, generate a new following, and then start promoting your stuff or your products on that Pinterest board. Just a few ideas for you guys to think about. Select our product. And I think we're gonna go with home and garden. Do some research. Think about your hobbies. What do you like to promote? What do you want to talk about? What do you want to post about? And then we're gonna sort these products by gravity. I'm gonna get a little bit more into detail about what gravity is, but for right now, for the purpose of this video, just know that gravity, the higher the gravity, lets us know that people are actually purchasing this product. Select the product, or when you see a product that you want to promote, what you want to look at is the commission structure. Make sure that is something that's worth your while. It's something that you're interested in, that it's something you're willing to promote. We review. We're gonna check to see what type of materials, what type of copy they're gonna provide you in order to be able to promote these products. Also, go ahead and click on the links that they give you. If there's any videos for you to watch, go ahead and watch the videos. Again, you want to get yourself familiar with the product because you don't want to sell something or you don't want to promote something that you're not familiar with. Next page. This page is called instructables. What help us with is we're going to go look for instructions regarding that product or that item that we picked. The article that you pick is congruent to the item, the product that you're going to select. In this case, this is an adjustable solar panel mount, and it's going to give you several steps as to how to build this mount. So we now know that anybody who's going to look at this is interested already in solar panels, right? We look at the instructions, we see what it says. It has 7 steps, and what we want to do is on this document, what we want to do is save it. We're going to download it, we're going to save it, and then we're going to go to the next step, right? We're going to go to this website called sedge.com. I'm going to go ahead and write it here somewhere on the screen, sedge.com. What this tool is going to help us do is going to allow us to modify the PDF that we just downloaded. Free of cost, you don't need to pay. So right now, we've gone to Clickbank. We didn't have to pay no money. We've selected our product. Again, no money. Now we're going to go here to this tool, which is free, to modify the PDF that we just downloaded. And here, what we want to do with this PDF is we want to go ahead and add our hop link that we're going to get from Clickbank. We're going to go ahead and add our hop link. We're going to go ahead and put it here. So this is the great thing about this tool. It's going to allow us to go ahead and add a call to action. Again, I suggest that for those of you who are actually going to do this, be a little bit more creative. Make sure it's a little bit neater, a little bit prettier. So what I did here was I went back to the copy that they gave us, right? And then basically grabbed one of the messages, the message that they get that has on there. Again, we're looking for that congruency. So what I want to do is create a call to action. And with this call to action, I'm going to go ahead and add the link that's going to take me to, I'm going to add the hop link that's going to take me to the product that I'm promoting. Okay, once we've added the call to action, what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and generate our hop link. The hop link is the link that's going to take us to the product that we're promoting. So what we do is we go back to Clickbank, Click promote. Once you click promote, it's gonna take you to this page right here where you're gonna put in the whatever you want to nickname your whatever you want nickname for this campaign. Then once you copy that link, you're gonna go back to the PDF that you're modifying and you're gonna add it to the call to action. Once you're done with the PDF, once you're done modifying the PDF and you add your hop link, what you're gonna do is you're gonna download the document, right? And then you're gonna test the link to make sure it works. You're gonna open the document, you're gonna click on the PDF, you're gonna go all the way down, and you're gonna click on the link that you just created and make sure that the PDF is clickable and that it takes you to the link where your product is. Okay, once you've tested the PDF and you've tested that the link works, then you're gonna go to another application it's called GoFile. Okay, once you've tested the PDF and you've tested that the link works, then you're gonna go to another application it's called GoFile. And what GoFile does is you're gonna upload your PDF and it's gonna convert that PDF into a link. Okay, now that you've created that link in GoFile, now we're gonna go to Canva. We're gonna go to Canva because that's where we're gonna create our post to upload into Pinterest. We're gonna go to Canva because that's where we're gonna create our post to upload into Pinterest. Again, think about the hobby that you're posting about. In my case, not my hobby, but the niche. But in my case, we're doing solar panels. So in Canva, you can go in and look at the images that they have. Again, this is free. They have a lot of free images. We're gonna pick the solar panel, and we're gonna select a template and create a post. Again, I'm gonna go back and forth from the information that I'm given with from Clickbank about the product, and I'm gonna use the same verbiage, the same language. I'm gonna use it on my post. Pinterest. You're gonna go to Pinterest. You're gonna upload the design that you created, right? You're gonna add a description that flows with the design and that it's gonna go along with the document that you're gonna upload. So once you've done that, then you're gonna go to GoFile, and then in GoFile, you're gonna grab the link that you generated there, and then you're gonna put it here on your Pinterest post. So what's gonna happen? When somebody goes into your Pinterest post and saw what you posted and they click on there, is gonna take them to the promotion, to the product that you're promoting. Thank you guys. Let me know if this was helpful. Again, it doesn't have to be solar panels. You can use whatever hobby, whatever niche you wanna take. Go to Clickbank and find products that you like, that you feel comfortable promoting, things that you know things about. And yeah, just go ahead and pick a product and let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, peace.